Cosmetic and appearance changes happens regularly throughout the design process. Understanding and updating these changes should happen regardless as to when or how you open your files. SOLIDWORKS 2022 now automatically resolves lightweight components that have graphical or appearance changes, regardless of any features have changed since the components were last saved. This ensures your component will always appear correctly. SOLIDWORKS introduced a unique and simplified way to incorporate complex texture within your design in the previous release. By leveraging unique appearance on faces, bodies, or components, textures can be created on those surfaces to generate complex geometry quickly. SOLIDWORKS 2022 delivers increased performance and responsiveness when creating these oftentimes complex and highly detailed textures, meaning you can use them in more places without sacrificing performance. Another graphical change in SOLIDWORKS 2022 is the introduction of texture-based cosmetic threads. These new cosmetic threads, beyond looking great, make it much clearer to understand which components have threads on. These threads will be used for any type of features that includes cosmetic threads as well, from manually created threads to the new start feature, and of course, the whole wizard. Finally, performance is always critical in saving you time. SOLIDWORKS 2022 has increased the frame rate when rotating parts and assemblies with silhouette edges by over 10%, saving you time with every single zoom, pan, and rotate.